Welcome to the COSMO installation guide video. These are the components we supply with the COSMO fixture. These are the sizes of each wattage and their components. The COSMO fixture comes with a remote control to turn on the fixture and dusk to dawn settings. Don't forget to insert 2 AAA batteries in the remote control. Install the light bracket. Attach the light brackets to the light module, then secure with screws from the light bracket screw kit. Install the solar panel bracket. Attach the solar panel bracket to the solar panel with screws from the solar panel screw kit. Start by installing the solar panel to the wall surface. Insert expansion screws to the surface, then attach the solar panel bracket and adjust the solar panel. The solar panel bracket is adjustable. Pick the desired angle, then tighten screws. Please access panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. Secure the bracket to the wall with screws. Next, install the light module. Insert expansion screws to wall surface, then attach the light module and secure. The light module is also adjustable. Pick the desired angle, then tighten screws. Lastly, connect the cables and turn on the fixture. Press the red button on the light module for 2 seconds to turn on the fixture. After you press the red button, the battery indicator will turn on. Green indicator means battery life is greater than 70%. Orange indicator means battery life is between 30% and 70%. Red indicator means battery is between 10% and 30%. If you press the red button and indicator doesn't turn on, connect the fixture to solar panel and charge under sunlight for 1 or 2 days. After 1 or 2 days of charge, check that the indicator turns on. If the indicator turns on, it means the light is working normally. If the indicator does not turn on, please contact SOLTECH customer service. The total length of the cable is 13.1 feet. COSMO floodlights can be used in gardens, courtyards, tennis courts, and landscapes, as well as extra lighting in parking lots. It also serves to brighten pathways in parks or on campuses, or any location where having an LED outdoor light would be helpful while avoiding the expense of running wires to the location. The COSMO fixture was used as billboard lighting for the Huntington billboards in Kentucky. The COSMO fixture was used as shelter lighting for the Candelas community in Colorado. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.soltechlighting.com.